Hello and welcome to Plant Crafted Pantry. Today we are making a caramel almond cake using the pear caramel sauce that we canned last week. First we'll mix our cake batter, so I'm adding 1.5 cups of gluten-free 1-to-1 baking flour to a mixing bowl, along with 1.25 cups of almond flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of ground flax. I'll whisk the dry ingredients together to combine them and then add 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of oil, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Then we'll mix all of that together until everything is incorporated. And we'll pour it into a greased 9-inch springform pan. Then we'll smooth out the top and sprinkle on about 1/3 cup of sliced almonds to cover the top. And then we'll bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. When it's done baking, we'll remove it from the oven and use a chopstick to poke holes all over the cake, about 1 to 1.5 inches apart. And then we'll open a can of our pear caramel sauce that we made last week. We'll give that a stir and then pour it over our cake. And we'll spread that out to make sure that all of the edges are covered. We'll let the caramel soak into the cake while it cools. I made this cake the day before I served it, so I put it in the refrigerator overnight, and this is what it looked like the next day when the caramel had set into it. And here is what it looks like out of the pan on a plate. This is a delicious and moist cake and one of my favorite ways to use the pear caramel sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.